And baby is home. He's in the big boy chair. Just came down 34th Street. It's crazy out there.
Why don't you open this window over here and get some fresh air right here. I'm sweating profusely.
Oh, there's like a stage going on out there.
Oh, what?
Stage, you're putting up a stage. Hi, Mommy. Welcome home.
I'm home.
Baby's nice and asleep in Daddy's chair. Right, baby? All right. I'll see you soon, newbie.